Is it time to eat? Is it time to eat? So he's been eating cat food and dog food, and now he's gonna get some apples and corn. And he's a good little eater. That's good. Yeah, that's good. You like it? Would you like some water? He cleans his beak. Oh, he's gonna poop now. Ah, put it on the towel. Thank you. Thank you for doing it on the towel. I got this covered. I got it covered. Would you like more? I know I'm feeding the bird on the counter, but I have a really bad back and I have lots of cleaning products. There you go. That's so good. That's so good. Would you like some water now? Here, right here. So he still has no feathers on underneath him, so he's a nestling. Still not sure if it's a raven or a crow. Has a hairy beak like a raven. Kind of has the hook beak, but he or she is still really young, so it's hard to tell. Um, it's so young that it's still only gripping. It can't like hop around or walk or anything yet. That's the most it could do. Would you like some more? But he's a very good little bird. I think he's done. But we got cat food here. Yeah, would you like some more? I think he wants more now. Okay. Let's get a piece of corn in there too. Okay, ready? It's hard to record and do it at the same time, but there he is. Yeah, he's a hungry guy. So we got him lots of fruits and stuff. And he's doing really well. We found him on Friday. Today is Sunday. And he's eating good. He's pooping good. His eyes are nice and bright. He's doing all the things that he needs to do as a young little nestling. Cleaning his feathers. And hopefully soon he'll get the rest of his feathers. But it's a lot of work. They need to eat every 45 minutes to an hour. You can see when he stretches that he still doesn't have all of his feathers, but they are coming in. But like I said, underneath him there's none. But you can see he's itchy, he's cleaning all that stuff off. So he's doing really well. So now that he's eaten, I have this huge dog crate. He's gonna go in the dog crate outside in the backyard and take in all the sounds and sights of outside, because as soon as he's gotten all of his feathers, he's going to do flight training in the kitchen and then he's out. But you can see he's a really healthy little guy, little girl, little bird. And I will sanitize my counter. It's just easier for me if I do it this way. How good he is. If you know for sure if this is a raven or a crow, please let me know in the comments. See if you can see his beak. He moves so much. But there is a hook in his beak. So you can see the kind of a hook, but I don't know. He's so young. He's going to change a lot in the next week or two. That's my little guy. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day.